Hello everyone, I'm Chris Olsgard with Waller Financial Planning Group. Thank you for checking out my first video blog. I recently posted an article on the company website about property taxes, and I wanted to give you a brief preview. Thanks again for joining me. For those of you here in Central Ohio who make your property tax payments every January and July, you probably shake your head, write the checks, and then forget about them. For those encumbered by a mortgage, your lender may escrow your taxes throughout the year and you could be blissfully unaware of how much you are paying. Regardless of your situation, in my article, I provide a little background on when and why these taxes originated, how they are calculated, and how Ohio's property taxes compare to the rest of the United States. When I purchased my first home, which seems like an eternity ago, I remember seeing a significant difference between my anticipated monthly mortgage payment and what my lender was asking me to pay. This was a quick and admittedly shocking introduction to the escrow process, and more specifically, the burden of property taxes. Unfortunately, we've all become accustomed to paying these taxes for the privilege of owning the homes we live in. However, with the recent Tax Cuts and Jobs Act of 2017, many of you will be losing some or all of the major tax deduction you once enjoyed. This got me thinking about why these taxes are necessary and where they came from. While researching this article, I learned a lot about the taxes we all pay and was somewhat shocked to learn that property taxes are the oldest of all taxes in Ohio, originating in 1825. I was also surprised to learn the Ohio Supreme Court has ruled several times that school funding in Ohio was unconstitutional, which applies directly to property taxes as public school funding was the original purpose of this tax. They have since overturned their earlier rulings, but the controversy is still present today. My hope is that readers of this article will leave with a better understanding of the way property taxes are assessed and the purpose they serve. However, one question I was hoping to answer throughout my research is whether property taxes are equally fair to all residents who pay them. No doubt, the ad valorem structure of property taxes is progressive in nature, but I can't help wonder if this is the appropriate method of assessing taxes for the purposes they serve. Should the homeowner with a more expensive home cover a higher proportion of public education, public services, or other applicable levies? I'm certainly not one to spark political debate, but as tax-paying citizens, we all have the responsibility to understand the public services we share and to help craft the tax laws appropriately to fund those shared expenses in the best manner possible. To read the full article on property taxes, please check out the link below, and I hope to see you all next time.